Hi friends, good morning and welcome to this new video of writing skill section. We will teach you email writing today. Email writing is one of the important questions of writing skill section in a CBSE paper. You can get good marks by writing the effective and good email. In this video friends, I will teach you what is email, types of emails and the format of email and tips and tricks of email. So let's begin with today's video. What is email? Email is the fastest and the shortest way to communicate with someone who is sitting far away from you. You can just send your message or email in a couple of seconds by internet. The full form of email is electronic mail. It is the fastest and easiest way to communicate with someone easily and within a short span of time. There are two types of email, formal email and informal email. Formal emails are those types of emails which are written to government offices, companies, organizations, schools. Informal emails are those types of emails which are written for friends, relatives, and loved ones. So these are the two types of emails we have got. Now we have got uh, format of emails. Format of email is very simple. Just you have to understand it, then you can write the effective mail. So let's study the format of email. First, number one, two. In two box, you have to write the email of the recipient, one who is going to receive the email. So here you have to type the email address of the recipient who is going to receive the email. Email address is associated with three parts. There are three parts of email address: username, connecting sign, and domain name. Let's say, suppose you have got Sharma at the rate gmail.com. So Sharma is a username, at the rate is the connecting sign, and gmail.com is the domain name. So your email name should have all these three things, then your email address should be complete. Next, subject. In subject section, you have to write down the reason or the topic of the email. What is the reason of writing the email in a short? Next, salutation. You can add Mr., Mrs., dear, as per the requirement of email. Then comes body. Body includes introduction, matter in detail, and conclusion or conclude. So when you write an email, you have to give two lines about yourself, like dear Akash, I am so and so, writing from this and this company. Then your matter. Then matter should be, I am writing this email to inform you that our meeting would be conducted on the 15th of September 2020. You have to reach Bhopal at this time. So this is the matter. And then conclude. Conclude. How will you conclude? You are humbly requested to reach on time. Then leave taking and closing note. You can write down leave taking and closing note like this, thanking you in anticipation. So this is your leave taking and closing note. At last, name, designation and contact details of sender. First of all, you have to write down your name, then your contact number, that is your phone number, and details of sender. Then you can write down your designation and all. Then contact number, when you write down your contact number, please give one or two contact numbers so that one can easily communicate with you if there is any problem or if there is any discrepancy or changes in the plan. So it is very important to mention the contact number in your emails. So this is the format you have to follow while writing the email. There are six parts: to, subject, salutation, body of the email, that includes introduction, matter in detail, and conclude. Then we have got closing and leave taking phrase, then name, designation, contact details of the sender. That means the one who is going to write the email. Now let's discuss tips. First tip says that format should be strictly followed in formal mail. So remember friends, when you write a formal mail, you have to follow the format very strictly. There should be no mishap while writing the email. Please follow the format, so it should look professional and formal. Then formal language should be followed. Yes, do use formal language. Do not use slangs and short abbreviations, and try to be very formal and stick to the word limits of 50 words. Do not cross it. Email writing, the word limit of email writing is 50 words. You should not cross it. You have to write down the email within the limit. Then short forms and slang should not be used, as I already told you. Then we can skip these things while writing informal mail. Informal email means when you write an email to your friends, relatives or loved ones, then you can skip leave taking note, designation, contact details of the sender. You can easily skip all these things. But when you write informal mail or personal mail, but when you write formal mails, so do take care of all these things and format as well. At last, you have to enclose the email in a box, and then your email will be completed. So once I would like to revise with you so that you will understand the concept of email writing nicely. Let's revise it. First of all, you have got answer sheet, then write down two has got the email address of the recipient who is going to receive the email, then subject, reason or a matter of email, then salutation is very important when you write a professional or official mail. Then body includes introduction, matter in detail and conclude. Friends, do write two lines in each part. That makes your email full and complete. Introduction, your introduction of 2 lines, then your matter, of course the main reason or the matter of the email, then conclusion. At last, leave taking note, that is thanking you in anticipation or thanking you in cooperation, you can say. The name, designation and contact details of sender. So you can write down their name and then deputy manager or manager and then contact details of the sender. This is the complete format of email. Follow these tips while writing email. Language should be formal. Strictly formal language should be followed while writing formal email, and then follow the format. Do take care of all the salutations, prefixes and suffixes while writing formal email. You can skip all these stuffs while writing informal mail when you write an email to your friends, to your loved ones or family members. But when you write a formal mail, it should have all these things for finishing off with a complete mail. And at last, enclose this email in a box that would give a new look to your email. So this is how you can write good email while giving your answer, while writing your answers of English language paper. So this is also one of the questions of writing skills section of CBSE exam. So these questions help you out to get good marks in exam, because you have to write only few lines, and just after writing few lines you can get 4 marks, 5 marks easily. So do take care of all these things. I hope you have enjoyed this session of email writing. Thank you very much friends. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest information of videos. If you have any doubts, do write on comment section and I'll speak to you there. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.